Amazing uses of rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol can be found in most home medicine cabinets. Used to fight infection, clean your skin and pores of toxins, disinfect surfaces and clean subject, cleans minor cuts and abrasions. Rubbing alcohol can also be used to clean minor cuts or scrapes because of the natural germ fighting characteristics. It can disinfect the area and kill any bacteria to prevent infection. Rubbing alcohol can also help to stop bleeding in the cuts by tightening your capillaries, which are what are losing blood in your body. The next time you have a minor cut or scalp dry, apply rubbing alcohol to the affected area using a cotton ball. Leave it on for several minutes as rubbing alcohol can dry your skin. Apply some moisturizing lotion or simply aloe vera gel on the area after you are done. Do this several times a day for several days. Prevents acne and pimples. Rubbing alcohol can even help to treat and prevent acne and pimples by killing the germs, soothing your skin, removing any dirt and unclogging your pores. Be sure to begin this method as soon as you notice the first sign of a breakout occurring. Soak a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol 70% strength. Dab it on the affected area gently. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse the affected area with lukewarm water. You can also follow up with a light moisturizer or just aloe vera gel. Do this twice daily for a couple of days only. It is important to note that rubbing alcohol can dry your skin out, so it should not be left on your skin for an extended length of time. Treat toenails fungus. Because of its ability to fight germs and infections, rubbing alcohol is effective in fighting toenails fungus. Rubbing alcohol can help your skin dry. It does also prevent fungus from growing in the first place, as fungi tends to grow and spread in warm, moist environments. Therefore, the rubbing alcohol will clear up any current infection, give you relief from any pain and discomfort, and reduce the chances of more fungus growing. Here is what to do. Mix equal amount of rubbing alcohol and white vinegar. Soak a thick pad of cotton in the solution and place it over the infected toenail. Wrap it with a small bandage or tape to keep the cotton pad in place. Allow it to sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. Finish by gently scrubbing the toenail with a soft bristled toothbrush, then rinse the area. Use this remedy once daily for several days. Soothes mosquito bites. Rubbing alcohol can even be used to help relieve pain and discomfort that are sustained from mosquitoes and sugar bites by lessening the pain and discomfort. It can also help the bite to heal quicker than it would naturally. The germ killing effects of rubbing alcohol also will decrease your chances of sustaining an infection.